NgoDisemba wonyaka ka2020 abanini izimoto bakuleli babekhokha u14 ngelitha elilodwa likapetroli. NgoDisemba nyakenye intengo yayisinyuke yayosho ku20 35 cents litha okokuqala ngqa emlandweni wakuleli. Kodwa manje selidumele edlula.
This should come as a welcome relief to consumers, and we saw also towards the end of last year with the hike in interest rates that indeed consumers were facing a few headwinds. So this should come as a welcome relief.
Ongoti bezomnotho bathi intengo kapetroli ingase iqhubeke nokwehla kulezi nyanga ezizayo.
Our view is the rand should continue to strengthen against the US dollar. And as the world open up and we are seeing a lesser impact of Omicron on global economies and therefore global demand, we should see that also being a positive for oil prices, that being oil prices coming down. So those two factors, if they actually do play out, should be positive for the petrol price going forward.
Uma intengo kapetroli iqhubeka nokwehla njengoba kulindelekile, lokho kuyosiza kakhulu labo abakhungethwe izikweleti njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi ibhange lombuso liqhubeke nokwenyusa inzalo yemali ebolekiwe kulonyaka. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.